No countdown, no rush. Lights up in the sky. Another year behind us. We let it pass us by.
The river keeps moving. The city slows down. We breathe in the moment as quiet falls around.
Some days felt heavy, some nights unsure, but we kept on walking, learning what matters more.
Not every answer came. Not every dream stayed bright, but we're here in the moment, under the same night. If tomorrow feels distant, that's alright tonight. We don't need all the answers to know we're alright. Don't count down, no rush, just hearts celebrating. Another year behind us, this moment we're taking. Different places, same feeling, different skies, same light. Happy New Year from Saigon tonight. Lights fading in the sky. This year is softly ending as a new one arrives. If tomorrow feels unsure, that's alright tonight. We step into tomorrow